In this video, I am going to show you how to change the battery in this Volkswagen Atlas key. This is a very cool key. There's no tools at all required. So Volkswagen has done a great job engineering and designing this. So you'll know you'll need to change your key. Your car will give you a warning, kind of like this. And then in order to actually open up the key, so here's your emergency panic button. So if you go to the other side, I was just able to use my nail, and I don't have very long nails, but you can just peel that back and that whole thing will open up. And then on the part that comes up, it shows you what the battery you need. It's a CR2032, and it shows you that the positive side goes up, which on this battery you can see there's a positive right there. And then in order to get the battery out, so this is part of Volkswagen's genius, this plastic piece here loops in there, and you can use that to get the battery out. Without using the key, I mean, you can use a screwdriver if you have tools available, but that's no tools required because this piece right here fits perfectly into there to pop out the battery. And then you can put in your new battery, and then this just closes back on, line it up, push it all together, and there you go. Now you got a new battery.